In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart in ClickUp. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Gantt charts are incredibly helpful for visualizing tasks over time and managing project schedules efficiently. So let's dive into this step-by-step guide on how to create one in ClickUp. First, let's start by heading over to ClickUp. You'll want to log into your ClickUp account, and once you're in, navigate to the Overview section. This is where you'll get an overview of all your projects. Look for the project you want to work with, and that will be your starting point. Now, after you've entered the overview, you can select any project listed there that you wish to visualize with a Gantt chart. Click on the project name, and it should take you directly to the project details. Once you're in the project view, locate the View option located towards the top of the window. This will allow you to access different views for your project. After you click on View, you'll see a few options, and what we want to select next is the Gantt chart view. You'll need to click on Gantt chart, which should be one of your options. This will pull up the Gantt chart interface, showing you a timeline and how your tasks line up over the specified periods. After that, you'll want to add the tasks that are part of your project. Click on the first task to get started. When you click on it, this area will expand, and you'll be able to edit various details about that task. Now this is your moment to name your task. Feel free to give it a name that reflects what the task is meant to achieve. Naming your task clearly is crucial, because it allows you and others who may view this Gantt chart to understand at a glance what the main focus of that task is. Next, look for the option to click on Project 1. This will typically bring you to the main management interface for tasks in your project. You will see various tasks listed, and also options to manage them. Click on it to continue. The next step is to return to the Gantt chart view by clicking on the Gantt option once again. You should see your previously created tasks and the timeline laid out in front of you, ready for adjustments. At this point, take some time to adjust the tasks as needed. This means you can drag your tasks to different dates or reorder them if necessary to fit better within your project timeline. Once your timeline is set, look for the option that says Add Task. Click on that to create another task that fits your project needs. You'll follow the same process to name this new task, ensuring it's descriptive enough for easy identification. Now, it's crucial to pay close attention while filling in the name for this task. You want to ensure it aligns with the project scope, so take a moment before you move on. After naming the task, look for the Create button. This is the step where you officially add this new task to your Gantt chart. Click on it to finalize the addition. You're almost there. Now that you've created your all necessary tasks, let's make any final adjustments you may require. This can include changing dates, adding dependencies between tasks, or even adjusting progress percentages. And there you have it. You have successfully created a Gantt chart in ClickUp. By following these steps, you're just a few clicks away from a visual representation of your project that can greatly enhance your workflow. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and hit that subscribe button for more tutorials. Happy project managing!